Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, dan Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat baganet foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Kumba arpongot ia kibria kibadan jing Duna ki Dkhotmet. Kilayo Jingïarap nak Sorkar jilla, kum ki hearing aid, ki wheelchair, ki walker, but ki de ki tiar ha ka jing rakhe ya ka International Day of Person with Disabilities, kabala pelong dak Office Commissioner for Person with Disabilities ka Sorkar Meghalaya, ha ka lai tarik unok pra ar hajar apuar ha ususot ham auditorium Shillong, ha ka bawa kerman shilla. Ubalong Menteri ke Sorkar jilla, ubapai ikatnat social welfare, ulalong kumukong sana kini sni. Hal kini kejengelang lasa kilang ru dau principal secretary jokatnat social welfare ke Sorkar jilla Usampat Kumar, ka Commissioner for Person with Disabilities ka SB Marak bat kiwe. La pencong kun kini kejengelang, da kisur jingwai na kakenhon light after dark.
Emily Dickinson, an American poet, said, "I am nobody, but I am somebody." This is exactly what I feel, that I might be somebody to one of the many souls who are very much in need of my presence or of me being here in somewhere or some part of this world. I might not be nobody, but I may be somebody.
Kerpat Kiba yang asem jong Kiba don jing Duna amde batin thanglat eti ide ban penslor eti batin le ekanun bekam kabati solah pan le nomor habaro hi ni don la kasap kaba ulei ulai de ndai la dingim la pan le da kawe ke kam la pan le da kawe ke kam kerpat nagaling ka jong nagaling ka Sorkar kan kampanye banyak nama tajam ini di badan Duna kantam ini di badan Duna ini don ha kantam di bon ini di badan na di yang kisem di baduk nama tade lembaga Jingïarap yang Sorkar ki kenapa inlah panjing lagi jong kita pengen dimja wala dengan ilang kuno ini don kata jing dengan ni don kam banjat panjing seni setai ni don kam ya kelenti senting di babha ni don kam ya ki perlok perjor Jingïarap nangta kawanakong ide na ying jong hing ide ban seluruh ide ban yarap yaki nangba kinla panjing lagi jong kita.
And the benefits to be derived from the integration of people with a disability in every aspect of life. This year's International Day of Person with Disabilities shines light on the role of innovation in fueling an accessible and equitable world. I urge every one of us, let us work together in finding innovative solutions to build an accessible and equitable world for all. Innovation and technology can be powerful tools for inclusion. They can enhance access to information, education, and lifelong learning, and they can open new avenues for persons with disabilities to participate in the workforce and society at large on an equal basis. To make our society accessible and inclusive for persons with disabilities, the state government has taken action on various provisions of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016, and one of the most important actions is the implementation of Accessible India campaign, in which 21 identified government buildings under AIC1 and 85 government websites have been made accessible. 14,287 persons with disabilities have been benefiting. The state government has also enhanced the unemployment allowance from 1,000 to 1,500 and has also provided grant in aid to special educators working in special schools. We have just witnessed the unveiling of the Meghalaya program of rehabilitation of persons with disabilities schemes and YouTube channel. Release of CRC Shillong website have also brought out the brochures of the Meghalaya Sign Bank app, which is a variety of the Indian Sign Language, which was launched during the observation of India International Day of PWDs on the 3rd of December 2018.
Exhilarating music and virtuosic performance is the training and protecting young visually impaired people who has helped impart integrated training and remedial assistance to children with special needs is felicitated on the occasion of the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. He is